everyone, my name is Himanshi. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very special video as I'll be recapitulating all the memories from the Mussoorie trip. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Also, this video provides you with a sort of an itinerary if at all you are planning a visit to Mussoorie. सो द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट डेस्टिनेशन जो रहेगा आपका अगर आप मसूरी ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं वो रहेगा आपका मॉल रोड ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि दैट इज़ वेयर यू स्टार्ट योर जर्नी विद. सो मॉल रोड बेसिकली एक मार्केट एरिया है विद अ कॉलोनियल आर्किटेक्चर. यहाँ आपको बहुत सारे स्ट्रीट फूड वेंडर्स एट द सेम टाइम बहुत सारे सीनिक पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे एंड द व्यू ऑफ द वैली इज़ ट्रेमेंडसली ब्यूटिफुल. अदर दैन शॉपिंग अगर आप कुछ एक्टिविटी करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन फेच योर सेल्फ अ ट्रॉली फ्रॉम मॉल रोड टू गन हिल. एंड अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट कर रहे हैं तो ट्रॉली की राइड एक बार ज़रूर एक्सपीरियंस कीजिएगा. अदर दैन दैट मॉल रोड पर काफ़ी सारी ईटरीज अवेलेबल हैं, बट माई पर्सनल फेवरेट इज़ द कालसंग रेस्टोरेंट विच प्रोवाइड्स यू विद तिब्बतियन और चाइनीज़ cuisine. Although it is a compact restaurant, but the vibe is amazing and the food is super amazing, trust me. So it is a must visit for me. So the second place that you can visit is the Company Garden. It is basically a municipal garden which has beautiful flowers. Also, the park has an option of a tiny boat ride, so you can check that out as well. Moving on, I went to the Sir George Everest House. This is another tourist attraction and a heritage site. This place is named after Sir George Everest, who helped the British to measure the height of the world's highest peak, that is Mount Everest. It was built in 1832. It is one of the best places that I visited in Mussoorie, and trust me, you get a spectacular view of Himalayas and as well as the Doon Valley from here. If any one of you is wondering what am I doing, this is for you.
ले हमने ये देखो ये फूल इकट्ठे किए हैं इसने. ये करोड़ों की वो हैं, ये बिकेंगे जायदाद. ये हीरे हैं, ये 2.5 करोड़ का है, 1.5 करोड़ का है. ये छोटा वाला 50,000 का ही है. ये हमारे गुड्डू ने खोजबीन करी है.
सो दिस इज़ अपार्ट फ्रॉम द जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट. जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट के रास्ते में जाते हुए ये एक विलेज सेटलमेंट काइंड ऑफ प्लेस थी जहाँ पर हमारा मैगी पॉइंट था सामने ही. सो वी वेंट देयर एंड जस्ट रोम अराउंड. और ये काफ़ी बजरंगी भाईजान में जो मुन्नी का घर था उसके घर के वाली वाइब दे रहा था मुझे एरिया. सो हैव अ लुक. So the next place lies in Dehradun only. It is a natural cave formation where river flows inside the cave. It is also believed that robbers used to take hide in Guchupani after robbery used to take place. So Britishers named this cave as Robbers Cave. Although the locals still call the place as Guchupani. The place is a little crowded during the summer season. हम लोग winters में गए थे तो हमें ज़्यादा crowd नहीं मिला. One thing you need to remember is that carry a pair of footwear that you do not mind putting it into the water, because there it is very difficult to walk on the stones barefoot, and if you're wearing shoes you can't do it in that. So although you get the pair of slippers on rent from the shops nearby. If in case you guys are wondering, I'm looking for a perfect shaped stone which I can get back home that reminds me of this place every time I see that stone. So from George Everest I collected a bunch of flowers, and from here I got a beautiful stone that is still with me. And these cute little things are so aesthetic to me that every time I visit some place I get something or the other like this with myself as a memory. Please do let me know in the comment section below if any one of you can relate to me. So the next place is the Bhatta Falls. It is a natural water spring. Here also you can find a ropeway that connects Bhatta village to Bhatta Falls. The ride costs you about 150 to 200 rupees per person. Trust me, it is a beautiful scenic Maggie point, and they have such arrangement that let you sit into the water spring and enjoy your Maggie. So the next place is Indore, the British Raj Hill Station. The world keeps on changing, but there is always something somewhere that remains the same. Yes, you got me right. That is Ruskin Bond, someone whose stories we all have grown up reading, and he is one of the oldest residents of Indore. My itinerary also provides you with something that you do not do in Mussoorie or Indore or anywhere else, and that is this. We made sure that no one was living into that house, and we do not disturb anybody. So while on the way towards the Indore, you will find this beautiful restaurant that is Dolma Cafe. So you must visit it. The food is very nice and the ambience is also very beautiful. So the next place would be the Kellogg's Memorial Church. It is right behind the Char Dukaan and the Cafe Ivy. It was built in 1903. This is the place where the Britishers used to learn Hindi while they were ruling. So the next place is for the people who have a sweet tooth, as I'm going to talk about a bakery that has n number of desserts and breads. Apart from the food, ambience and location, I would like to talk about the host who was kind enough to greet us all individually and brief us about the menu. The last but surely not the least place would be the Cafe Ivy. It is opposite the Char Dukaan. So इस कैफ़े की वाइब काफ़ी अच्छी है. Also आप सीनिक व्यू एंजॉय कर सकते हो फ्रॉम द बालकनी ऑफ द कैफ़े. एट द सेम टाइम यहाँ का पास्ता काफ़ी अच्छा है, सो मस्ट ट्राई. Now, if you wish to experience the coldest weather around Mussoorie, you must visit Dhanolti, as this place is cold throughout the year. Moreover, the ride till here is very enjoyable. In Dhanolti, Sarkunda Devi Temple is yet another place where you can relax your mind and body. टेम्पल थोड़ा हाइट पर सिचुएटेड है जहां आप ट्रैक करके जा सकते हैं. इट इज़ अ 45-minute ट्रैक एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज़ वर्थ द वाइल. Now with that note, I bid goodbye to the place. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Before I take your leave, I would like to say keep loving yourself, be grateful and keep creating memories, because that is the only legacy that we carry forward. See you until the next time. Bye bye.